Hey guys, sorry to bother you. I just want to make a note about something and see if I can get some attention over it. I've heard it before and I can't believe it happened, but I got a crack or a little nick in my window. Not even a big nick, just a little nick. I want to make sure that it got taken care of because it's winter and you never know, it could freeze over. Had it for a week, called USAA. Excuse me, I used the app for USAA. They sent a tech out last week and it was about to rain, so as polite as I could be, I was okay, no big deal. Come back next week, we'll get it handled. And then they came back today. Tech came out and inspected the window, and I cleaned it and make sure it's wiped down, Windexed and everything for him, being a nice person. They came in and looked at it. I walked off after I signed a piece of paper. It apparently is the worst piece of paper to ever sign, for a $200, $300 fee. And then this was supposed to be free, by the way, just preventative maintenance. So I walked off, started doing whatever I could. Just had back surgery. I can't do much. But she called me back over and said that she had put a pin in the window where the chip is and cracked my window about 1.5 feet. And then she told me, very polite lady, told me that I'm sorry that happened. I'm going to call the office and see what they can do. Called the office and they said my insurance does not cover it and that my deductible was around $200. So of course, being a gentleman, I wanted to make sure I didn't say much more than that. I said, okay, thank you. We're not going to do that right now. I don't agree with that resolution. So once the tech took off, I called the number USAA and told them about the issue. They said it's a $200 deductible and it's not our fault, which is still hard to believe that the window might not have even cracked for a year. You don't know. But I called another number to the claims department. The claims department talked to me, all these nice people, by the way. And she's, no, excuse me. Yeah, the window claim department. And they said that there is someone that could waiver it and to hold on. So she got on the phone with somebody else with Safelight. Safelight said it's not their responsibility. I guess they didn't even want to talk to me. And she came back on the line and said they won't talk to you. It's not refundable. So you'll have to pay it out of pocket at your $200 deductible. Once again, not happy with the conversation. I called the claims department for just car insurance and talked to Gigi and then another woman. First person I talked to was going to transfer me to corporate, which was appreciated. But once she did that, it didn't answer and hung up on me, saying it was not available. So I called back and talked to another woman, and she stated that she's going to cold call the number. That way it doesn't happen again. Once we did that, I talked to another customer service person, and she said that she let me tell me my story, and then she decided that there is no way to waiver the deductible, even though I was told so previously. And there was no further steps to take after this. So I just want to let you guys know, if your window's going to crack anyway, what's the point of coming and have Safelight do it? Right? I don't understand why USA offers this when it was a small nick that probably could have went for months. I've had window nicks for months and months and never had a crack. And then I come and get the free service that they do to prevent a replacement of a window. I'm sure it saves them money as well as me. And they crack my window and tell me I need to get a new window. I don't think this is fair. I'd like for USA to get back to me at a different level, because it seems like they just were polite but didn't want to help at all. If you guys ever dealt with this or something, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Feel free to share and send this USAA, and I appreciate that. Thank you.